When we're coming on the way here today, it was raining like crazy, you know. So I said to myself, this reminds me of a time when, you know, a big storm was taking place up here in the mountains, and we came here, and so anyway, couldn't drive anymore because it was what they call a whiteout. You know, when you can't see in front of him, non si vedeva niente innanzi. Allora non si poteva più camminare con la carro, con la macchina. See, in America, everything's got another name. In Italia, la macchina, over here, o carro. In Italia, o macellaio, o chianghiere. In America, o puccio. Right? We got all different names. So anyway, we're walking on the road, and it's a shivering night. The guy stops the car. He walks into Villa Vosila, the lobby. And he says to the lady over there, Mrs. Nadia over there, no. He says, Signora, please, you got a room available. I can't drive no more. I can't see in front of me. She says, you're a lucky man because there's one room left tonight. He says, oh, in my villa, I'm going to take him. So he walks with a valigia, mezzo struppiata like this. Stava facendo una scalinata. And tutta all'indrasata, all of a sudden, a lady walks in, same thing, she's stranded with the car. And she says, Miss, can I have a room, please? I got nowhere to spend the night. This weather's terrible, I can't move. She says, oh, signora, come siete sfortunati. You are so unlucky because I gave the last room to the gentleman walking up the stairs and mezzo struppiata, like this. So she went behind the guy and she says, oh, mister, please, before you go in the room, there's something I gotta ask you. Please, do me a big favor. He goes, Signora, what's that? She goes, nobody knows you, nobody knows me, and nobody knows us. Please, can I share the room with you? I got nowhere to go tonight. So he says, well, I don't, all right, tras. Come on in. All right, she says, but I'll tell you something. You sleep on the floor, I sleep on the bed. She says, you got a deal. So, you know, they put themselves to bed. And all of a sudden, in the nutad, hey, mister, hey, mister, what do you want now? She says, listen, mister, nobody knows you, and nobody knows me, and nobody knows us. This floor is hard. Can I come on top of the bed with you? He goes, all right, you know what we do? I'm staying under the covers. You sleep on top of the covers. Okay, that's okay. So, they went to sleep again. Hey, mister. Hey, mister! Hey, mister! Wow, mama, wait. What happened? No, mister, listen. Nobody knows you, and nobody knows me, and nobody knows us. Can I come underneath the blanket with you? It's cold over here. So he goes, come underneath the blanket. Well, you pull over there, and I pull over here. All right, a little time passes, and all of a sudden, finally, the guy finally gets some sleep. Before the daylight comes, hey, mister, what the hell you want now? She says, nobody knows you, and nobody knows me, and nobody knows us. Perché non facciamo festa? Why don't we have... So he says to us, Signor, nobody knows you, nobody knows me, nobody knows us. Who the hell are we going to invite?